Hello kids, welcome to my channel Kids Basic Gain. Let's learn to draw some 2D shapes with colors. This is pink color. Which color kids? This is pink color. This is orange color. This is yellow color. This is sky blue color. And this is light green color. Which color kids? This is light green color. Let's draw some 2D shapes. Black color. This is cross. This is a smile emoji. This is heart. This is pentagon. This is sun shape. This is divide shape. Let's draw some shapes with colors. Light green color. This is cross. Yellow color. This is a smile emoji. Pink color. This is heart. Sky blue color. This is pentagon. Orange color. This is sun shape. Light green color. This is divide shape. Kids, फिर से हम रिपीट करते हैं. क्रॉस, स्माइल इमोजी, हार्ट, पेंटागन, sun shape, divide shape. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget like or subscribe our channel. See you next video. Bye bye kids.